Now let us see practice set 5.3. Second question, that is simplify. For solving this question we need these two expansion, that are a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Second one expansion we have to use is a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now our first question is 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube. Now let us apply expansion of a plus b to this bracket, that is equals to 2a bracket cube plus 2a square into b plus 2a into b square plus b cube. Now negative sign is here, so we are taking here a square bracket, then expansion of a minus b we are applying here, a minus b bracket cube, that is 2a cube minus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a b square minus b cube bracket close. Now 2a bracket cube plus 3 into 2 square, that is 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube minus. Now we have to multiply this whole bracket with negative sign, that is minus 2a bracket cube. This minus multiplied by minus, that is plus 3 into 2 square, that is 4a square into b plus multiplied by minus, that is minus 3 into 2a into b square minus multiplied by minus, that is plus b cube. Now 8 cube, that is equals to 2 cube, that is equals to 8a cube plus 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12a square b plus 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6a b square plus b cube minus 2 cube, that is 8a cube plus 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12a square b minus 3 multiplied by 2, 6ab square plus b cube. Now 8a cube minus 8a cube will get cancelled. 12a square b plus 12a square b, that is 24a square b. 6ab square minus 6ab square will get cancelled. B cube plus b cube, that is 2b cube. In this way we have solved first question. 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube is equals to 24a square b plus 2b cube. This is the simplified form of this. Now our second question is 3r minus 2k bracket cube plus 3r plus 2k bracket cube. Here we have to apply a minus b bracket cube expansion, that is equals to 3r cube minus 3 multiplied by 3r square multiplied by 2k plus 3 multiplied by 3r multiplied by 2k bracket square minus 2k bracket cube. Now positive sign is here, so we no need to take square bracket. We will apply a plus b bracket cube expansion here. 3r bracket cube plus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k bracket cube. Now let us solve this. 3 cube, that means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 r cube minus 3 square, that is 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27. 27 multiplied by 2, that is 54 r square k plus 2 square, that is 4 multiplied by 3, that equals to 3 4s are 12. 12 multiplied by 3, that is 36. 36 r k square. Again negative sign is here. 2 cube, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 k cube plus 3 cube, 27 r cube plus 3 square, that is 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 27 multiplied by 2, 54 r square k plus 2 square, that is equals to 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. 12 multiplied by 3, 36 r k square plus 2 cube, that is 8 k cube is equals to 27 r cube. Here 27 r cube plus sign is there, so we will add both of them, that is equals to 54 r cube minus 54 r square k plus 54 r square k will get cancelled. 36 r k square plus 36 r k square, that is plus 72 r k square minus 8 k cube plus 8 k cube will get cancelled. So our simplified form of 3r minus 2k bracket cube plus 3r plus 2k bracket cube is 54 r cube plus 72 r k square. Our third question is 4a minus 3 bracket cube minus 4a plus 3 bracket cube. Here we will apply formula expansion of a minus b bracket cube. So 4a cube minus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus 3 cube. Now negative sign is there, so we are taking negative sign and a square bracket. Now we are applying expansion of a plus b bracket cube, that is 4a cube plus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square plus 3 cube, square bracket complete. Now we will simplify this. 4 cube, which is equals to 64 a cube minus 4 square, that is 16. 16 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 144 a square plus 3 square, that is 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 108a minus 3 cube, that is 27, minus 4 cube, that is 64a cube, minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 4 square, that is 16, multiplied by 3 which is equals to 144a square, minus multiplied by plus, minus 3 square, that is 9, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 108a, minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 3 cube, that is 27, is equals to 64a cube minus 64a cube will get cancelled, minus 144a square minus 144a square, which is equals to minus 288a square. 108a minus 108a will get cancelled. Then minus 27, that is minus 54. In this way, 4a minus 3 bracket cube minus 4a plus 3 bracket cube is equals to minus 288a square minus 54. Question number 4, that is 5x minus 7y bracket cube plus 5x plus 7y bracket cube. Here we have to apply a minus b bracket cube expansion. 5x cube minus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square minus 7y cube plus 5x plus 7y, that is we have to apply a plus b bracket cube expansion. 5x cube plus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square plus 7y bracket cube is equals to 5 cube, which is equals to 125x cube minus 5 square multiplied by 5 square, that is 25, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 875 x square y plus 7 square, that is 49, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 735 x y square minus 7 cube, that is equals to 343 y cube plus 5 cube 125 x cube plus 5 square, that is 25, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 875 x square y plus 7 square, that is 49, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 735 xy square plus 7 cube, that is equals to 343 y cube. Now this 125x cube plus 125x cube will become 250x cube minus 875x square y plus 875x square y will get cancelled. Next 735xy square plus 735xy square, that is equals to plus 1470 xy square. Next, minus 343 y cube plus 343 y cube will get cancelled. So, simplified form of 5x minus 7y bracket cube plus 5x plus 7y bracket cube is equals to 250 x cube plus 1470 x y square. In this way, we have completed practice set 5.3.